Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking nervously. And I don't really care what you think of me, respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet
Cause
next
I don't
to me.
give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go.
Hi guys. So a little bit of a departure from our usual videos of talking to donkeys or talking about animals. You'll know that a few weeks ago we were very pleased to receive some electric bikes to include in the sanctuary, and it seems that the application of electric bicycles in this environment is just really well suited for a couple of reasons. One is we run a volunteer program here at Jacob's Ridge, and the volunteers, obviously it's not all work, we do have some play as well, so having electric bikes is a great way to get out off the sanctuary and go and explore the local environment. The other big benefit of electric bicycles is obviously they're silent, yet we can get around. And when you're in, you know, temperatures like this, which is we're in like 100 degrees, it's very, very hot and it's very uncomfortable. And the nature of the sanctuary is it's across a wide expanse, so there's a lot of walking involved and a lot of getting around. So to have an electric bicycle here at the sanctuary is a great addition. So this particular bike is the DYU, and it's been absolutely brilliant. We've been testing it out and had it for a couple of weeks. We haven't used it as much as we'd like to, and that's basically because of weather and things that go on with the sanctuary basically, but it's very, very good. So I just wanted to take this opportunity really to talk you through it. If you are considering an electric bike, if you're considering DYU, they've got the Shimano. It's got this really handy digital display, which I really like actually. It's very clear digital display. You've got different modes, so you've got different gears and speed settings. It's pedal assist, so the engine or the motor, it's a hub motor, and it engages as soon as you start pedaling. Well, not as soon as you get a little bit of a delay. You've also got a hand throttle, which works really well, so when you're just sort of setting off, you can just twist the hand throttle and get going. You've got your lights front and rear. It's just a really good, robust build quality is brilliant. It's a really good little bike. So if you are considering electric bikes and you are considering DYU, I think you could do a lot worse for sure. And in this environment, it's a very rough environment, so it gets tested a lot. So yeah, but anyway, we'll get some video now and have a look at it in action. So as you can see, the bike is really it's really quiet, and because you've got the use of this little hand throttle, you don't even have to pedal to engage the motor. And I can cycle right up beside the horses, and they're not bothered by it at all. And then if you had something like a little motorbike or a quad bike, which is, you know, historically what you would use for these sorts of things, you know, just loads of noise pollution and the cost as well, you know, of you know, keeping it fueled. But you can see the horses are just not bothered. It's just not bothered at all.